In this video, how to check if a device is onboard to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Verifying successful onboarding is essential to ensure devices are properly managed. You can run this detection test on a device, but using this method, you need to wait a little to verify that the device is properly reporting to the Defender for Endpoint service. The first way, we can check it on the device inventory on the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint portal. The second way, on the device, open PowerShell as administrator. Run the following command. If the device is on board, the Microsoft Send service status will show as running. The Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection Service is the premium service that enabled if you've the license of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint only. If not on board, the status will show as stopped. The next way, it can be done using Registry Editor. Open the Registry Editor and navigate to the following path. For an onboard device, the onboarding state value should be 1. For a non-onboard device, the key will be empty or absent. In the last way, we can run a detection script. Run the provided detection script on the device. The console window will close automatically after execution. If successful, an alert will appear in the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint portal for the onboard device within 10 minutes. Additionally, if your client behind a proxy, you need to make sure they can reach this endpoint for MDE deployment. You can download and run the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Client Analyzer. The Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Client Analyzer can be useful when diagnosing sensor health or reliability issues on onboard devices running either Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.